How to disable ads on Snapchat. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to manage your Snapchat ad preferences and turn off the available personalized advertising options. First, open the Snapchat app on your iPhone or Android device. Tap your profile icon in the top left corner. Next, tap the Settings gear icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and look for the Ads Preferences section under the Additional Services settings. Here, you'll see different options related to how Snapchat uses your activity and information for advertising. Turn off the available options for audience-based, activity-based, or third-party ad network advertising, depending on which options appear on your account. Confirm your choices if Snapchat asks you to. Keep in mind that turning off personalized advertising does not necessarily remove all ads from Snapchat. It mainly changes how ads are personalized to you. If you want to remove or reduce additional ads, Snapchat may offer paid subscription options, but the available features and plans can vary by country and account. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Snapchat ad preferences and reduced personalized advertising. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out more Snapchat tips and tutorials.